Do you want to legally pay less tax? Look, if you're 65 and older, you're going to want to hear this. The new senior bonus tax deduction is here, and it's saving us hundreds, maybe even $1,000. Today, we're going to explore the new senior bonus tax deduction, legally paying less tax. Here's what you need to know. The new bonus tax deduction for seniors, it's awesome. And it's only here for a short period of time. Hi, I'm Coach Nick. Welcome. I hope you're excited to learn about how to legally pay less tax. This senior bonus tax deduction comes to us out of the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, aka ABBA, because she was a dancing queen. You know what I mean? All right, so here's the deal. This senior bonus tax deduction applies to those who are 65 and older. And what is amazing about it is you can qualify if you're married filing jointly for up to $6,000 per person. That means you could have an additional $12,000 as a deduction on your tax return. But here's what you need to know. If one spouse is 64 and the other spouse is 65, only one of you will qualify for that $6,000 bonus tax deduction. In order for you to qualify for the full $12,000, both spouses have to attain the age 65. Now, additionally, in that example, you have to file married filing jointly. What's really amazing about this tax deduction is it doesn't matter if you're itemizing or if you're filing for the standard deduction, you can still qualify. Now, it's not all roses. There are some people who will qualify for more than others. And the deal is this does come with a phase out. To qualify for these deductions isn't just based on your age. It's also based on your income. If you're a single tax filer, your modified adjusted gross income must be below $75,000 to fully qualify. Otherwise, the phase out begins at $75,000 and it goes up to $175,000. Again, that's of modified adjusted gross income. If you're married filing jointly, your modified adjusted gross income must be below $150,000 to fully qualify for the deduction. Otherwise, the phase out is from $150,000 up to $250,000 of modified adjusted gross income. So for middle America, especially our middle American retirees, so many people are going to qualify for either part or all of this deduction. Now, what was some of the rationale behind this deduction? Where did it come from? President Trump started talking a lot about no more Social Security taxes, no more taxes on your Social Security. Well, that didn't necessarily come to pass, but to alleviate some of the pain of Social Security taxes enters in the senior bonus tax deduction. So it was meant to alleviate the taxes on your Social Security. It's not a perfect system. It wasn't meant to be. This really was a deduction that came out of compromise. The new senior bonus tax deduction is probably one of the biggest retirement planning and retirement tax planning opportunities for the middle-class retiree that's out there today. So it's really important that we know our numbers. If you're not working with your CPA and your financial guru and they're not all talking together, this could be a huge miss. Perhaps you do too large of a Roth conversion that knocks you out of the ability to have one of these deductions. Perhaps you took a distribution that maybe you should have waited till next year to take out of that retirement account. It's really critical that your CPA and your financial person are on the same page. They're talking together to ensure you're getting the most tax benefit possible. Again, I've said it before, and it's worth saying again, one of the safest and easiest ways to increase the return on your money is to pay less tax. The new senior bonus tax deduction is probably one of the biggest retirement tax planning areas that exists today. I want to encourage you, know your numbers, have a coordinated approach, have your CPA and your financial guru, have them talk together. Make sure everybody's on the same page, because at the end of the day, You really win when everybody's on the same game plan, working towards your common goal, which is legally pay less tax. If you have questions, you want to know more, how can you better or more fully take advantage of these deductions? Reach out to us. Our information's in the description below. We'd be happy to spend a few minutes with you. Until next time, thanks for being here, and thanks for staying coachable.
Investment advice offered through Merit Financial Group, LLC, a registered investment advisor.